Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, in today's video we're going to be making homemade garlic and ginger paste without preservative that can last us up to 5 months in our fridge. So let's get started with this recipe. So for this recipe we're going to be using some garlic and ginger, olive oil and salt. So we're going to need a tight container that we're going to be using it to store it in our fridge. So guys, that's all we're going to need to make our garlic and ginger paste. I will go ahead and start peeling my garlic. So when I'm done peeling my garlic, I will wash it and set it aside, and I will start by using my spoon to scrape off the skin of my ginger. And I will make sure I use my knife to take all those particles that looks rough out of the ginger and wash it. Right now, I will just go ahead and start using my knife to roughly chop my ginger to help my blender do the work easily. So when I'm done slicing my ginger, I'm going to be blending it with either my blender or my smoothie cup. So guys, you're free to use any one you have in your kitchen. I will add in some good amount of the ginger, and I will add in like 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I will start blending without adding any water. Make sure you don't add any water to both your garlic and your ginger, as this will make it to get spoiled easily. So I'll make sure I keep on using my hand to move the cup so it will blend properly. At this moment, the first batch I've blended a bit, so I'm going to be using it to blend the other parts to make it easy for me to work on. So right now I'm done blending my ginger. I'm just going to wash my bottle and make sure I sterilize it so I can use it to save it. You can see how smooth the paste is. And also I will make sure I use my kitchen towel paper to pat dry my bottle, and I will add in a teaspoon of salt and mix it up with my garlic to preserve it from getting spoiled easily, as this will make it to last up to 5 months in my fridge with the help of the vegetable oil and the salt. So I will make sure I lock it tightly. So as you can see, I have some left that didn't go into my jar. I'm going to be putting it in my ice container, and I can freeze this and it can last up to more than 8 months in my fridge. Anytime I want to use it, I will just bring it out from my Ziploc bag and take 1 or 2 to cook my food. So I'm going to follow the process I use in blending the ginger to blend my garlic. So if you like, you can add in the salt at this moment. It doesn't matter that you have to put it at the end. You can add it at this moment. Anyone is perfect. All the work of the salt there is just to preserve your garlic and your ginger to give them long life. And if you like, you can blend your garlic and ginger the same time and store them in the same jar, but I love having mine separately because I have some food that I would like to prepare that I love using more of garlic and more of ginger, so I can get the nice amount of what I'm using. So I will seal it tightly, and I'm going to be labeling them to put in the date and the name of each one. So with the date, is going to help me to remember when I made it and when I'm supposed to finish using it. Roughly, I finish mine in 4 to 5 months, but sometimes it doesn't last up to 2 months in my kitchen, as I love cooking. So guys, by the time the one in the ice container is done freezing, I'm going to be putting them in my Ziploc bag and preserve it in my fridge to last me up to 8 months. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that red button and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up till I see you again on my next video.